All right, I'm going to spend a little bit longer time on this one just to show you what's going on here. First, we need to find the slope of the line because we have 2 points. So we say if we have 2 points at 5 comma 7 and 10 comma negative 3, we really have an x1 y1 and an x2 y2. So we can then say y2 negative 3 minus y1 7 over x2 10 minus x1 5, and we get negative 10 over 5 or negative 2. So that already seems to eliminate all of the answers but D, because that's what the slope is, and none of them have that exact same slope. So let's just go a little further and say, okay, how do we then find B just to be sure? We say y equals mx plus b, but we know what m is, negative 2. Y equals negative 2x plus b. And we're going to take a point that they gave us, and we're going to replace x and y with that number. So I'm going to use the first point, 5 and 7, 5 comma 7, 7 for y, 5 for x. And when we solve this, we get 7 equals negative 10 plus b, and adding 10 to both sides to solve for b, we get 17 is equal to b. So we then should have as an equation y equals negative 2, the slope we found, x plus 17, the intercept we found. That's the equation, and that fits with D, so our answer is D.